Hey there, Ryan here, Silly Reviews. We're reviewing the Presto Dorothy Rapid Cold Brew Coffee Machine. It works with magnets. It is so cool. It's like you're in science class. This little machine reduces the time that it takes to make cold brew coffee, which for me is about 24 to 30 hours. That knocks it down to about 25 minutes. I like to go 30 minutes because I like it a little stronger. The coffee comes out way faster, less waiting. It's not bitter, it's not as acidic, and it's delicious. Please use the link in the description.